Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how to make your Twitter account private. It's very easy and simple method to make your Twitter account private. For this, open your Twitter, go to your profile. Now go to the setting and privacy option. Now here click on the option privacy and safety. Now from here click the option audience and tagging. Here you can watch option protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. If you turn on the option, only those people who follow you watch your tweets. In this you make your Twitter account private. Hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.